Hi, in this video I will show you how to fix not responding screen on your WAHOO Elemnt Roam cycling computer. When your screen is not responding, it's probably because it's locked. To unlock it, we need to open the settings by pressing this button. Then you need to go to the settings screen by pressing this page button, and now you need to use arrows to go to the screen and press this button to unlock it, and now your screen is working again. Thank you for watching. If you like this video, subscribe to our channel and give us a like.